Hey everybody, Erica with the K here. This is strictly going to be how I do my eyes. And I do want to say before I start that basically any colors you can use them. I'm just using purples because I believe on the video that this comment was left on, I had a similar look to this. So let's break it down. We're going to start off with concealer on the lid. This is always what I use. This is going to give me a blank, even canvas on my lid so that colors won't get stuck and they're easy to blend. Then I'm going to go in with a transitional color. I'm using all of the Your Shades Beauty Palette. You can find it in my Amazon affiliate link, but I believe it's sold out. It was really affordable, like 40 shades for $13. I use it basically every single time I do my makeup. Love it. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with the transitional color. This is going to be something that is close to your natural skin tone, and you're just going to put it on so that anything you put on top of that can be buildable and it doesn't get stuck. Then I'm going to go in with this dark purple color, and I'm going to use a fluffy MAC brush. This is just a really good blending brush, and I'm going to concentrate that on the upper part of my lid. The colors that you choose are your choice, as always, but this is generally the same placement that I always use. So I'm going to do that dark purple. Then I'm going to take this really pretty shimmer shade. It's like a pinkish color. I love it with purple. And I'm going to use my finger because it's easier to pick up pigment, especially of a shimmer color with your finger, but you can also use a damp brush, like something that you spray down with like a setting spray. Nothing too wet though, just kind of damp. And I'm going to put that on the lower part of my lid. And then this is definitely my signature look. In the corner, I'm going to pump some black, all from that same palette. This is going to be with a 217 MAC brush, I think, or no, this is not the 217. This is the 203 Real Technique brush. And I'm going to pump that in the corners. It's just going to give me more of a precise look. It's one of those brushes. I don't remember when I was doing this. Okay, then I'm going to go in and do my liner. I do this off camera. I have tons of videos showing you guys how I do liner, how I do lashes, everything like that. So you guys can definitely go check those out. They're on my TikTok and on my Instagram. So if you guys mess up with your eyeliner because you haven't done your face yet, take a beauty wipe and just wipe that away. And then I do my mascara, did some eyeliner on the bottom and my lashes, and we're done. Whew, 3 minutes. Love you guys. Bye.